Exposing the secret to fast, healthy snacks. Am I the only one that didn't know these super easy recipes? Let's dive in. Snack number 1. Apple slices with almond butter. Just slice up an apple, slap on some almond butter, and you're golden. Next up, Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and berries in a jar. Boom, instant deliciousness. Third snack, veggie sticks with hummus. Slice up some cucumbers, carrots, bell peppers, and dip away. Crunchy and satisfying. Fourth on the list, avocado toast. Mash an avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Fancy and fast. Last but not least, energy balls. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and dark chocolate chips. Roll into balls and refrigerate. Perfect for on-the-go munching. There you have it. 5 quick, healthy snacks for your busy lifestyle. Snack smart, stay healthy, and keep hustling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.